Okay, now let's see try to do this one. They asked to simplify this one. Sorry, they asked to solve this question, this equation. Now here, there's a very important thing. Now normally most of the time we all try to do this. Make same denominator. No, here x minus 1. Here we have 4. No, has denominators. So we multiply this one by 4. Get to here 4. X minus 1 into 4. Here also 4. And here by x minus 1 I will multiply. Normally we feel like that. We multiply this one by x minus 1, numerator also. Then in the denominators, in here also we will have 4 into x minus 1. Here also 4 into x minus 1. Same denominator. And then make a single fraction. Then after cross multiplication. The problem is in that method, you can get the answer, but it will be long working and also right. It's time consuming. The thing is, there's an easy way to solve this question than that. But the problem is when you go to exam, if you feel that way to do this question, if you have no any idea, not come to your mind any idea, so it's okay, use that method. But here very carefully, that's why I need to show you this thing. But there's an easy way to solve this one. Here you can see x minus 1. Here also x minus 1, no? Same denominator, no? So we can put these two terms to one side. Then automatically it will be same denominators, right? So that's the thing here. Otherwise, don't try to, you can do that way, but it gets some, extra time. You can make here same denominator. By this one multiplied by x minus 1. This numerator also multiplied by, 3 multiplied by x minus 1. Like that. And here multiply by 4, here multiply by 4. So you can make same denominator. But most of us will do that normally. So here my idea was try to, here you can see here x minus 1, here also x minus 1. So that's why I will put this term to this side. Then we already have the same denominator in both the fractions. So I will do then here 3 over 4, right? 3 over 4. Now what I will do, x minus 1. Now this term I will bring to this side. That means minus 1 over x minus 1. Right? Now you can see here this is plus now. So I brought to here. Now minus. Now you have same denominator already. So directly you can write 3 over 4. Here same denominator, no? Don't need to worry. X minus 1. Here 4 minus 1. No? Okay, now you can write directly here 3. But I wrote here. So here 3 over 4. Actually this is, you don't need to write directly, you can subtract. Here 3 over x minus 1. And also now here someone can cut this 3 to this 3. But I will not do that way because it's little bit make confuse you sometime, because why we cut numerator to numerator, because we have here equal sign, that's why we can cut. But okay, I will use little long way here. Cross multiplication we can apply. So 3 into x minus 1 and 4 into 3, it's 12, right? So by 3 let's say multiply, then it will be 3x. Here numerator we multiply with here denominator with here numerator, right? So 3 into x, 3x, 3 into minus 1, it will be minus 3, and here 12. Now this minus 3 will be into here, so here 3x, 12 plus 3, this minus become plus. Now here 15, here 3x. Okay, now I don't need to explain. Here we divide by 3 both sides, so x equal 5. We get the value for x. But if, like I told you already, if someone make here same denominator here, and try to apply that way also, you will get the exact answer. But it makes some long working, right? You need to get long working. Here also actually this part also you can skip if you need, and directly you can cut this, and you can 3 to 3 and little bit easy then. Okay, I will show you that also. 3 to 3 cut here, that means 1, no? So x minus 1 into 1, x minus 1, 4 into 1, just 4. Then minus 4 into here, it will be just 5. Like that someone can do even then this quickly, right? This question.